Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to keep a cell of the Excel sheet constant and calculate the formula. So if you see, these are the marks obtained by the different students against the total marks of 500. So I want to calculate the percentage achieved by Raj in the examination, that is 450 out of 500. John, the percentage will be 234 divided by 500. So this is what I want to calculate. So for that, I'll just click on equals to 450 divided by 500. I should not click on enter. What I will do, I'll just click on function F4. So you see there's a function button beside control key. So you can just press function and click on F4. So this will lead to a dollar symbol against G1, and this will fix this denominator G1 for the rest of the rows. So if I just copy this formula, you see this is 78%, which is C6 divided by G1. This is what was desired. So if you don't want to press the function and F4 formula, what you can do is 450 divided by 500, click on enter, and then go and manually change this. So I'll just put a dollar symbol, shift dollar. So now I'll see the percentage is exactly same. So what would have happened if I hadn't fixed this value 500? Let's see. Equals to 450 divided by 500. So now if I just drag this value, the wrong value is coming because we are dividing C6 divided by G5, which is not the desired behavior. So what we have always have to do is to fix the denominator in this case using the F4 key. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel.